Go ahead.
So Daddy Jack's going to Blues. I'm going to show you I'm on a Popeyes kick this week. So, you know, I went for the chicken sandwich. I went 3 times this week for the chicken sandwich, drive through, take off. I went today because B told me her friend got a chicken sandwich. Come to find out it was like last Wednesday. So I said, you know what? I got a couple pieces of chicken. I'll make a couple recipes, just easy recipes. I want to show you, kind of a goof. But here, grab the biscuits, and then what I had is a little bit of mango at home. Okay, and some blueberries. And so what I'm gonna do, add a little bit of sugar. What do we got for liquor over there, B? Yeah, give me a little bit of that. We're gonna put some sugar. A little bit of brandy. All right. I know B's gonna want to try this one. Huh, B?
Oh yeah.
Well, actually, now we add the brandy, I'm gonna add a little bit more sugar. And that'll make like a little simple syrup. So, I'm gonna let that set up for about 20 minutes or so. Put it in the refrigerator. Got nice cold plates to put it on. Serve your salads and desserts, cold desserts on nice cold plates. We'll be right back.
Whenever you're ready.
B? Can't help it. Can't help myself. All right, so hey, again, a Popeyes biscuit, you know, don't eat them, save them, throw them in your freezer. I warmed this up a bit. Oh yeah.
Look at that.
Look at the syrup, like.
Oh yeah.
B, I need a test pilot over here. Huh? You want to put a little bit of ice cream on there? That's awesome. But you got the whipped cream? Cabot's out of Vermont. Hey. Look at that, you know, cheap and cheerful dessert. And as the piece de resistance here, my sister Star in Houston sent me down some nice, beautiful chocolate chip cookies. And love you, Star. And that's it right there. You know, maybe a maraschino cherry or whatever. But that's it. Come on, B. I'm on a low carb, but I'm gonna try it anyway. Sorry. Yeah. You know,
That brandy hits just right.
a half a mango, good handful of strawberries.
That's dangerous.
That's dessert and an after dinner drink.
Yeah, that's really good.
This is a little touch of brandy made at the last minute. Good call on the brandy.
Yeah, that was really good. I'm stealing a cookie from your sister.
Metal would have used whiskey, he said. Metal used whiskey and everything. And Daddy Jack's going with the Blues here, having some fun. Popeyes, you know, really one of the best, to me, one of the best chains going. The gravy's excellent. Hey, their mashed potato gravy, their coleslaw is good. The biscuits, you know, hey, they're not, I can't say it's great for you, but once in a while, have a good time with it. Cheap dinner. Utilize some of the leftovers in our smothered chicken recipe. You can put the chicken in a soup. Chicken salad, cut it up and put it over salad. Use the biscuits for dessert. Sweet and savory, the biscuits, you know, sweet for shortcake. You know, we used it in the Brunswick stew recipe, the presentation. So that's about it. Daddy Jack's Good with the Blues. Get Glenn Peltier on camera. We're here in the kitchen of Daddy Jack's, a little different perspective here, and having some fun. Peace. Come visit us.